Hey guys, I'm recording because there is a huge thunderstorm going on and I'm freaking out. My phone keeps blowing up because I'm telling people to call me, because I'm freaking out. So I'm just gonna hold this and wait for the next, lightning strike to appear. There's been like 10 bright ones and a few small ones that are over by the light. Really creeping me out. I am deathly afraid of lightning, so yeah. It it waits a little bit and then it flashes. So I'm gonna go out into the rain. I don't know if you can see it, but I can't see anything. There's the light. Oh my god. Did you guys see that? Oh my god. Oh my god. My phone. Holy crap. Can you guys hear that? I'm freaking out. And my house is right there. I'm standing out in my yard and I really don't want to get hit by lightning. Because it's really close. I'm freaking out. I can't see the light. Oh, there it is. Yes, it is really scary out here. I think the light just went out. Yeah, it did. Oh my god. I don't know why it's so stormy. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm going inside. I'll keep you guys posted.